Hello, dear mama, and welcome to this short prenatal yoga practice. This practice is designed for a second trimester, and we will focus on opening the shoulders and improving the posture. Prepare two yoga blocks and meet me on the mat. We will start today's practice in the puppy pose. Place one block in the center of the mat and then slowly send your hips high and send your chest lower, placing your head on the block, stretching your arms in front of you, and find your supported modified puppy pose. Deepen your breath. Gently opening the shoulders, the middle and the upper back. Let's do one last inhale in and long exhale out. Slowly lift yourself up on your forearms and on all fours position. Let's make a few circles with our back, like rounding the spine and arching the back. Just gentle warming up of the spine, similar to a cat-cow movement, but also working with the hips, with the shoulders. Let's change direction. Now tuck the toes and send your hips high into first downward facing dog of the practice. Bend one knee and the other to warm up. Maybe lift one hip up and the other. Just feel what movement fits your stage of pregnancy. Then find stillness in your down dog. Heels are lifted, pushing away from your palms. Bend the knees and bring your left knee to the floor and send your right leg in front. Gently stretching, opening the shoulders. Maybe grab a block for support. Then activate the glutes, activate the legs and lift up. Cross your arms, sending the left elbow under the right one. Twist your palms if you can and find eagle arms. Send your elbows down, your chin down, and sending your elbows up, gaze up. Let's do two more. Elbows down, chin down, elbows up, gaze up. One more. And with your exhale, open and cactus the arms. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, meet me back in downward facing dog. You can hold your blocks to support your downward facing dog, or you can just stretch without the blocks. Then slowly bend your knees, bring your right knee to the mat, and send your left foot slowly to the front. Sinking the hips, gazing up. Elevate the blocks. Give yourself as much support as you need. Just find what feels best for your body. Opening the shoulders. Then send your hips high. Activate the glutes and the legs. Lift your arms and cross your elbows. This time send your right elbow under the left, making a bind with your palms, finding eagle arms. Send your elbows down, chin down. And elbows up, gaze up. Let's do two more. Then unbind your arms, cactus the arms. Inhale deeply, opening the chest. Lift the arms up and bring your palms to the mat. I will remove the blocks this time. Tuck the toes, send your hips up into downward facing dog. Then elevate on your toes. Look to the top of the mat and slowly come to the top. Half lift, flat back. Bend the knees, grab the hips and inhale up. Exhale your palms to the chest. Inhale, look up, gaze up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale for a flat back. Exhale, palms to the mat. Now step just the left leg back. Prepare for warrior one. Squeeze your thighs, squeeze your glutes. And lift gently up into warrior one. Send your arms behind your back. Interlace the fingers. Push the knuckles down. Open the chest. And inhale, hands back up. And palms to the mat. Send your right leg back and downward facing dog. Prepare for warrior one on the right side and send your left leg in front. Maybe help yourself with grabbing the ankle. Squeeze your legs and your glutes and lift up into warrior one. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Push your knuckles down, open the chest. Then slowly release. One last inhale in your warrior and bring your palms to the mat. Send your right leg back and hips up into downward facing dog. Bend the knees, look to the top of the mat, and slowly step towards the front. Half lift, flat back. And exhale, bend the knees, lower your head down, and slowly lift back up. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, palms to the chest. Maybe close your eyes. Let's do one deep inhale in, exhale out. Now slowly step with your left foot back. Feet are parallel to the shoulder edges of the mat. Inhale, hands up. And as you exhale, turn your heels in, goddess pose, cactus arms, lower in your hips. Inhale, up, star pose. And exhale, find your goddess pose. Open the chest. Inhale up. And as you exhale into the goddess, try to put your scapulas together, elbows in. Inhale up. And exhale, bend the knees. Now stay here in this pose. Bring your arms up. And as you exhale, bring your palms behind. Grab your left palm and bring your both palms holding together to the side. Inhale, extend the legs. Rotate the left foot parallel to the mat and prepare for like a version of a triangle pose. Hold here. Slowly come back up. Now dial the toes on the right leg in. Inhale up. And exhale this time. Catch your right palm, put it on the left side. Dial the feet on your left leg and bend in a variation of a triangle pose. Opening the right shoulder. Working also on your core gently. And slowly lift back up. Turn the big toes in. Inhale, hands up. And exhale, palms to the chest. Heel toe your legs back in. And slowly come down into your easy pose or Sukhasana. Place your block under your hips. If you need to elevate the hips, put your right palm on your left knee and your left palm on your right knee. Open with your left arm to the back and close back to your right knee. Let's do a few more big circles with your arm as you would like to draw the rainbow with your arm around you. One more open. And close. Now change direction. Put your right arm up and open to the back. Drawing this big rainbow now with your right arm. Notice that there is not much rotation in my back. I'm not twisting, just making big movements with the shoulder and with the arm. And bring it back to the front and release. Make few big circles with the shoulders. And now place the palms together. Rotate it so that the fingers are in the opposite direction. Grab your fingers like you would want to hold tight and bring your palms over your head. Put your shoulders down and now bend left elbow to the mat and open up and switch. Stretch to the center and bring your right elbow to the mat. Let's do a few more. Connect the movement with the breath. Find your own pace that suits you. Now inhale up and exhale, hands to the knees. Let's make one big last circle with the shoulders. And now close your eyes, and as you sit into your easy pose, just bring your attention to the shoulders, to your upper back. Feel if there is any difference in your body from the time when you started the practice. Feel the warmth in your shoulders. Deepen your breath. We will slowly close the practice. Bring your palms to the chest. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed the practice. Namaste.